4, 3, 2, 1, let go. Level up, 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 level up. All this on me so yummy.
What's up, YouTube? What's up, Rocky's World? We back with another video. You know who it is, you know what it is, you dig. Let's do it. So today, as you can see from the title, we are unboxing the Heat. We're giving a good review on the Heat, you feel me? So let's get into the video. Y'all already know what the Heat is, and I really want y'all to comment down below what should the next cop be. I'm gonna post a vote on YouTube, on Snapchat, on Twitter, and oh, actually I got a Twitter, guys, so I won't be able to add it to the ending for when you guys see the Instagram and the Facebook, but I'm gonna add the Twitter in the description below, so take a look at that and go follow me on Twitter. But let's get into the video. Here's the infamous box of the human research. I want you guys to get a great look at these. Hold on, let me put it right there. Alright, so let's check out the box. This is an unboxing. So, the SOLAR HU NMD. It says SOLAR HU NMD. We got the man on the side over here with the shoe, the little cloudy boost in the back. This is a size 7. It's let me see where it says. It says BB9531. It says originals. Has the Human Racer logo, the Adidas logo, original. But you know the Human Racers usually come colorful. And now it's time to unbox the Heat. So it does come with this like white and goldish paper. It's with like just a gold Adidas. Sorry, that was just a fire alarm because that was too much heat. Let's get a 360 view on these. 360 view on these. I am thinking about for the first day to, because I'm going to wear these the first day of school. I'm thinking about if I should record the first day of school for you guys wearing this outfit to school. And if I should switch out the laces, one blue and one white. Alright, to get into the review, let's start off with the left foot. The left foot, which should be on all authentic Human Racers, Yeezys, and a few other pair of sneakers, but we won't get into that until we probably unbox those. The tag is always in the inside. I had mentioned this in my last video that usually if you want to find out if your shoes are authentic, you should always look at to where the laces and tag come, and it's always on the left shoe on the inside, not the outside, but the inside on the left shoe, not on the right shoe, the left shoe. So on this left shoe here we have land, and there's like the white boxing underneath it, and we have the word land. On this word land, as you can see, there is a 4 instead of an A. It represents the letter A, which I thought was a really cool way to make it different, to switch it up, not to make it very just simple. I mean, they went crazy with the colorway, so they should obviously go crazy when it comes to the writing and the design. So on the knit of the sneaker, we have an Afro vibe kind of print, and the back is actually reflective. On this one, it is green. To me, the most reflective effect that you can get on this pack when it comes to the back tag will probably be the yellow pair, because I believe the back tag is gray, and you know gray is more reflective. It'll give off that kind of like green looking vibe, but because this is green, I don't know exactly how it's going to look when it reflects, but maybe I will give you guys, you know, a little aftermath on how the outfit went when I come back from school, and I'll tell you guys how it looked when it was reflecting. So at the bottom here we have the yellow boost with the Adidas going across the middle, which is so hot to me. I feel like when they put the yellow on the bottom of the sneaker, it basically gave the sneaker its B.A.M. and you guys are gonna hear me say that a lot. I know you guys can't see me that well, but the focus is the sneaker, so I want you guys to be able to see the sneaker as well. So what I mean by the B.A.M is basically the B.A.M. So you guys are gonna hear me say that a lot, and we're gonna use that on my channel a lot. So when we see some fire heat, when we love the shoe, we're gonna comment B.A.M. We're gonna comment B.A.M. because these sneakers, the yellow is definitely the B.A.M. Through the middle of the sneakers, we have Adidas, and you have small parts of the boost showing. This is not like the Yeezys, where you have like a whole like part cut out where you see the boost. The boosts on these are really kind of like in the middle, and I guess Yeezy does that because you can't really see the boost on Yeezys because it's covered by the like outer sole. So this is another pair. The other side, it says mother, and again, like I told you guys with the numbers, it is a E, but it is represented by a 3. You know, a great way to keep the shoe different and diverse because of the colorway. And then, you know, the same thing on the other bottom of this foot, which is the yellow, which I enjoy the way this looks detailed when you look at it from the sideway, like the way it's spaced out instead of just a flat foot. I want you guys to see the blue because I haven't really touched on that. The blue is a really sporty blue, kind of resembles the Sport Blue 6's blue, if you know anything about those. And there's you know, the regular white base at the bottom, and the mother. Another way to show if your shoes are authentic, you can always tell from the way the words are written. The mother goes straight up, and for the longer words, usually the mother goes right in the middle of the knit that turns, basically when the shoe goes above your ankle, kind of right here. So this is the knit right here, if you can see what I'm talking about, and the R is blank on that, so kind of like in the middle of the R is the knit. So if your letters are too big or too wide, usually means that they're not authentic. If you guys want to get into the inside, if you guys want to get into the inside over here, this is how the size part looks. I'll probably take a picture and insert it so you guys can see it better. Let me turn back up the light, guys. So these were the SOLAR HU NMDs, and I'm so excited to have a piece of the collection. If I in fact get really huge, I would love to keep these and finish off the pack and have all 3 pairs. I am really, to be honest, on the pack, I am not the biggest fan of the orange, blue, and purple colorway. It is not my favorite at all. These are the shoes in the background look. These are the shoes on the sides. The shoe. And I know you guys love a subscribe button. I have hit 98 views on my last video currently as I'm making this video, but once I drop it, I'm hoping to have 100 or more views. I'm enjoying the way you guys are watching my content, but I would really love if you guys hit the subscribe button when you watch, turn on that post notification, and keep hitting up the Rockies, where we're trying to be the biggest crew on YouTube, biggest sneaker crew on YouTube. And I would love, my first goal for the YouTube channel is to take you guys to SneakerCon. So the next SneakerCon, somewhere in the New York area or Manhattan area, New York, Queens, Brooklyn, Bronx, no matter where it is, I will be attending. I'm just waiting to, I've basically been looking up the info on it, and I'm waiting to, you know, see if we can get a spot, get a ticket, and get to go. I want to cop some crazy heat over there, so I'll be saving up my money for SneakerCon once I find out when it is. But I hope you guys love taking a closer look at the SOLAR HU NMD. This is Rocky's World, and I'm out. Let's take a look at these.
Watch that picture fashion overdress, just to see her ass in it. Twerk for my Instagram, she just got 100 missed calls, it's her man. And now you with her now, huh? Things different now, huh? You committed now, huh? Guess I can't hit it how I hit it now, huh? Don't hit me when you gang with me, yeah, I keep like 8 around. Even when you think they ain't around, me around.